So we've got a collective of ancients here. We are all hybrids, and this is something that the mind finds it hard to perceive, because we are not just of humans and souls and spirits. We have got these different streams of consciousness that are coming from different collectives. And there are masters amongst us. There is mermaids amongst us. There are different collective consciousnesses that are streaming through at any given time, working on the planet, but also working with each other in the blueprints. And what we are doing when we do that is we are creating a wholeness, a remembrance, if you will, to who we are as a soul, as an oversoul, not just as the one soul. There's many different layers to our experience here on Earth, and of course the soul mission and the purpose is very, very layered. And this is why when people are trying to niche into one of their purpose or missions, then what actually happens is they can get stuck and feel boxed and just drop the whole thing completely. So the recommendation here is to become more expanded and to be in more allowance of what else can be created, what else can I perceive, what else can I receive that I've not considered yet, and how can I have the faith to hold that, to drop out of the doing, out of the brain space and into the heart coherence. The ancients are here to hold you and to remind you that you are a part of the ancients collective also. There is a whole lot of collectives within the ancients collective. So this is meaning that there's the streams of consciousness that come through here from all of those wisdoms and all of the deepest knowings from all of these collectives that are streaming into the ancients collective and coming through to us as the hybrid. And this is happening directly now, because we are going through the big transformation here on Gaia. But not only that, the human beings, they are lifting their consciousness. So as the earth is ascending, and we have this direct kind of the plasma that is coming through, like the solar flares and all these spikes and all of this cosmic stuff is happening, that the earth is also activating the humans, and the humans are activating the earth through these soul streams. To try to understand this with the mind will only boggle it and will actually take us into confusion. So what we advise you to do is to actually just sit with transmissions like this and to allow yourself to feel it. You may feel it as a buzzing, a vibration. You may fall asleep to that, or you may actually understand the words. But the words are not what is to be understood. It is the energy of what we are gifting to you.